The Philippine National Police, or PNP, announced that security measures are effectively maintaining order across the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM, ahead of the September 14 elections, with zero election-related incidents and Comelec successful gun ban implementation. Ryan Lisigas has the report.
The Philippine National Police, or PNP, said the security measures are in place in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao ahead of the upcoming parliamentary elections. According to PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Naratates Jr., no election-related incidents have been recorded since the start of the election period on July 16. He said this is the result of the early implementation of security measures in BARMM, including the enforcement of the Comelec gun ban. Related to this, more than 10 individuals have already been arrested for violating the gun ban.
So with that, we have 42 days left. So far, ini-implement na natin ang security operations. Okay? And as of now, there are no recorded election-related incident in the area of Barn. But we're able to, with that security operation and operations and other operations, we're able to arrest 12 personalities for violation of the gun ban or Comelec gun ban.
Nearly 10,000 police personnel will be deployed on election day, with 5,000 of them coming from the Police Regional Office Bangsamoro or ProBAR. The PNP also formed a special electoral board that will be activated should police personnel be needed to serve during the elections.
So far, maayos naman ang ating coordination with the Comelec, with their guidance, as well as the other deputized agents of the Comelec. And the Philippine National Police is on top of the situation, and of course, in coordination with the armed forces and other law enforcers.
The election will be held in Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao del Norte, Maguindanao del Sur, Tawi-Tawi, and Cotabato City. The BARMM parliamentary elections are scheduled on September 14. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.